Production. Aqueous humor is produced by ciliary body. The part of the ciliary body responsible for the production is the ciliary process. The rate of production under normal conditions is 2.3 microliter per minute. It is derived from plasma within the capillary network of ciliary process. The three mechanisms of production are ultrafiltration, secretion, and diffusion. Ultrafiltration. By ultrafiltration, plasma substances such as glucose, pyruvates, ascorbates, and amino acid pass out from the capillary walls and accumulate behind the non-pigmented epithelium of the ciliary process. Secretion. Ions such as sodium, potassium, chloride, and bicarbonates are actively transported into the posterior chamber from the ciliary process. Diffusion. Secretion of these ions results in increase in osmotic pressure inside the posterior chamber. Thus, the posterior chamber is more concentrated than inside of the ciliary process. Therefore, water migrates from the capillaries to the posterior chamber along with other substances like glucose, amino acids, and ascorbic acids, etc. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Otherwise...